crap, I don't know how many freaking months, but not bad. So dad random, getting myself kind of back in shape, trying to get ready for potentially an AVATA coming. So all right, dad random, and this is Mr. Croc.
Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Now I know why it never worked out before. High low, it would always turn out bad, so bad. But every time we start a fight, we always stop in time. We both know how to be gentle, never cross the line. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Sometimes, but I know we're safe. Two peas in a pod, a roller coaster to walk out the door. We could be in control, but we just keep on putting on a show. And baby, I don't mind it. Let them talk, they don't get it. That we are two peas in a pod. We are
Mr. Croc, that was your first flight in, crap, I don't know how many freaking months, but not bad. Only horizon mode because I have never flown with my Action 2, so this is my first flight. I am flying with a 6S Lion pack, so 6S 2P. So it's a good pack. You can literally fly forever. I did actually 2 flights with this. So, all right. So Dad Random, getting myself kind of back in shape. Trying to get ready for potentially an AVATA coming. So, all right, Dad Random.